know why you're here, Evie Hammond. You're being formally charged with conspiracy to commit treason, terrorism and sedition, the penalty for which is death by firing squad. You have one chance, and only one chance, to save your life. You must tell us the identity or whereabouts of codename V. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes.
Are you ready to cooperate?
No.
The truth is, there is something terribly wrong with this country.
Whoa, excuse me, miss.
I'm sorry.
Not yet, you're not, but you will be.
The only verdict is vengeance. A vendetta.
If our own government was responsible for the deaths of 100,000 people, would you really want to know?
We're getting back at them for what they did to you.
What was done to me was monstrous.
And they created a monster.